Hi and welcome back to Wrexham Volkswagen. My name is Shannon and today I'll be giving you a tour around this fantastic Volkswagen approved used Tiguan that we currently have in stock. This is the 1.4 litre TSI SE trim, finished in a lovely deep black pearl paint. Please contact us on 01978 340 600 to find out more information. So walking towards the vehicle, you've got your chrome trimmed radiator grille. And then we have your stunning 18-inch alloy wheels that really complement the exterior of the vehicle. They really stand out. And then a great safety feature on this car is your remote folding door mirrors, which are electrically heated, which is great for reducing any condensation as well as providing safety for your vehicle when left parked on narrow streets. You've also got your silver roof rails pairing nicely with your chrome window trims. And I'll just walk you around to the boot. Got your Tiguan badging on the back, and then opening up, as you can see, we've got lots of space. You've got plenty of room to store your weekly shopping. You can also put the back seats down if you ever require that additional room, and then in case of any unexpected punctures, we've also got your wheel under here as well. This fantastic car comes with your 2-year Volkswagen warranty. And it's also covered over 35,000 miles from new. So next I'll jump in and I'll show you the interior. So moving into the rear, we've got a Titan black cloth finish. We've got your centre seat also acting as an armrest with 2 stored cup holders. You've got your 2 pull-out tables. This practical Tiguan offers your passengers a nice amount of space in the rear. We've also got your climate controls to ensure everyone is comfortable. And then moving to the front, we've got your electric mirror and window controls in the driver's door, your central locking. We've got your automatic lights to ensure they're always on at the correct times. We also have your leather trimmed multifunction steering wheel. So using your wheel we can access your adaptive cruise control. And then we can also flip through your instrument cluster, which shows key information within your field of view. It's got things like your audio, your telephone, your vehicle status and driving data. Then over here we have your infotainment system, so here we can access your car's features and settings. You've got your DAB, digital radio for all your music and entertainment. It comes as standard with the vehicle. Then we also have your App Connect, so you can seamlessly display your phone for the vehicle using either Android Auto or Apple CarPlay or MirrorLink. And then we do have your Bluetooth telephone connect, so you can answer phone calls directly from your vehicle, so it's ideal if you've got a busy lifestyle. We also have the benefit of your front and rear parking sensors to help you manoeuvre and park more safely. Then moving down, we have your 3-zone climate controls, so both yourself and your passenger have controls to your own temperatures as well as your rear passengers. We've got 2 USB ports, the media devices can be charged. This car is also manual. We have your electronic park brake with auto hold. We have a couple of handy cup holders and some storage space underneath your armrest. If you'd like to find out more information about this Tiguan SE, then please contact us on 01978 340 600. Thank you for watching.